Hey prime side lovers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this 10% glycolic acid toner for pimples, acne, and for smoother skin. You're always welcome to my channel. So I made this toner for myself and I'm going to show you the results at the end of this video. So for the formula, first I have my glycolic acid powder, which is an AHA and is a very good and mild exfoliating ingredient that can help to slug out dead skin cells from the skin, help to fight acne and pimples, help to minimize pores and smoothen the skin, also help to even out the skin tone and brighten the skin. I'm going to dissolve the glycolic acid with distilled water. Glycolic acid will dissolve very quickly in water, and I usually suggest glycolic acid powder to the glycolic acid liquid. However, after my glycolic acid powder is fully dissolved, I'm going to move to the next ingredient. I'm then going to add alpha arbutin powder. Alpha arbutin is a very potent brightening powder and can also lighten the skin. I'm using 5% of alpha arbutin powder here, other than the recommended 2%, and I'm going to tell you why before the end of this video. Alpha arbutin will also dissolve very quickly in cold water. Please do not forget we have all your raw cosmetic material for your formulation in stock. Please see the description box for more details. After this, I'm going to be dissolving in my niacinamide powder. Niacinamide is also known as vitamin B3 and it helps to boost collagen and improve skin texture. It helps to prevent acne, minimize pores, wrinkles, and fine lines. And then I'm going to be adding aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel will serve as a humectant and also serve as a moisturizer. It has wound healing properties and it also helps to plump the skin. I'll also be adding vegetable glycerin, which is also a humectant and will help the skin to always feel hydrated. I'll further add little more berry pink powder just to aid the color of this toner. Not necessary for its therapeutic importance. But then, if you are using natural coloring like this, make sure you are doing that for a DIY because the color is going to fade off after some time, unless you'd have to support it with a natural or synthetic coloring. So after adding this, I'm going to be checking the pH, but this is not the end. We're still going to add other ingredients after checking the pH. So many of you have asked me why I usually use a pH paper to check the pH of my product and not a pH meter. It is quite important to use a pH meter to check the pH of your product, especially when you're working with AHAs and BHAs so that you can get the exact pH. But then I use the pH papers just so that it can be easy for those who are beginners to work with it, as the pH meter are a bit more complicated than using the pH papers, which is really easy for you to match it against the paper than to keep calibrating the meter whenever you want to use it after a while of using it. So matching the pH strip against this paper, I got a pH of about 5 and we need this to be 4 and below for the glycolic acid to be really effective. So I'm going to add some drops of 50% citric acid solution. I have a video of this formula. I would leave the link in the description box. So add some drops into it to reduce the pH of this toner, and then I'm going to check the pH again to see if I got the right pH for the product. The strips are also very accurate to use, but if you want to use them, make sure that they fall between the range that you want to use them in. For example, if you're making products with AHAs or BHAs, make sure that they go below the number that they are supposed to go. So matching the strip against the paper this time, I'm having a pH of about 4 and I'm okay with it. And then I'm going to be adding 2% of clear cocoa betaine. Cocoa betaine is a surfactant, but it won't really make this formulation to lather, but then it will help to cleanse, to soften the formulation, and also to act as a penetration enhancer. So this will help the product to work faster. And then I added a preservative. I used Gemal Plus 0.5%. I give this a gentle stir so that it doesn't lather too much. If you want to learn more about making toners and water-based serums, I have an ebook guide that can help you through your formulation, whether you're a newbie, an intermediate, or even a professional formulator. The ebook and other ebooks of mine are on my website, and I will leave the link in the description box if you'd like to purchase it. So I'm gonna get a container and pour in my mixture into this. Please make sure to follow the instructions of using this product. Remember, I use 10% glycolic acid and 5% alpha arbutin, which is quite high from the normal usage rate. But I use this way to tackle a particular condition, and it's never meant to be used for a long period of time. you would have to stop using this after the condition is clear, let's say about 1 month or 2. So I started using this because I had pimples from a product I used. So this was my face when I started using the toner. I wanted all this to clear up because I wasn't comfortable with them, and so it went from that to this. See that they have started drying up, but the spots were still there. And then this, see that the spots have started fading out, and it also helped with my hyperpigmentation. So if this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Also, do not forget to source your raw materials with us if you're quality concerned. Thank you so much for your support. I'll see you next time. Bye.